There are countless 3D printers out there, and let's face it, most of them sound pretty much the same. If you're not a tech expert, choosing the right one can feel like a gamble. Will it actually perform well? Will the setup be a nightmare? That's why we've put together this straightforward list of the top 6 3D printers under $500. All available on Amazon and handpicked for everyday users who just want reliable, solid results. Some of these printers excel in speed, others in fine detail, and a few strike the perfect balance, whether you're a complete beginner or upgrading from an older model. And the top choice? It's surprisingly good for the price. Be sure to check the description for links and any current discounts as we go along. Number 6. Elu Saturn 4 Ultra 12K. At number 6, we have the Elu Saturn 4 Ultra 12K, a mid-range resin printer that delivers exceptional detail, usually reserved for machines that cost twice as much. If you're working on projects like miniatures, jewelry prototypes, or anything requiring fine details, this one really stands out. Its 12K monochrome LCD screen produces incredibly sharp results, capturing tiny features that other printers in this price range might miss. Despite the high level of detail, it doesn't compromise on speed. The print speeds of up to 150 millimeters per hour, making it perfect for small batch production or back-to-back client work. The auto-leveling system is a huge plus, sparing you the frustration of dealing with uneven prints. Just hit a button, and the printer takes care of calibration automatically. Another bonus is the built-in air purifier, which helps minimize the strong resin smell, a real lifesaver if you're working in a small space like a bedroom. This printer truly excels if you're prioritizing top-tier results over ease of use. It's an excellent choice for hobbyists or small businesses seeking professional quality prints without breaking the bank. The downside? Resin printing does require extra cleanup and safety precautions, and it may not be the best starting point for complete beginners. But if you're ready to level up, the Saturn 4 Ultra is hard to beat. Number 5. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. In the number 5 spot, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a sleek plug-and-play FDM printer that's designed for those who want simplicity and reliable prints without a steep learning curve. From the moment you unbox it, setup is a breeze. With a standard print speed of 250 millimeters per second and the ability to push up to 600 millimeters at its fastest, it tackles everyday printing tasks much quicker than most entry-level machines. One of the standout features is the auto-leveling bed, which takes the guesswork out of calibrating your first layer. A game changer if you've ever dealt with prints that won't stick or keep peeling off. The PDI flexible build plate is another great touch, making print removal effortless. Just give it a slight bend and your print lifts right off, no scraper required. Equipped with a direct drive extruder, it can handle flexible filaments like TPU alongside regular PLA, opening up more possibilities for creative projects. What really sets this printer apart is how little effort is needed to get started. It's quiet, looks clean and modern, and fits neatly on a desk, making it a great option for home users. The downsides? The build volume is a bit smaller than some alternatives, and the closed ecosystem limits customization options. But if you're after a hassle-free, reliable machine that just works, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M delivers. Number 4. Elevu Neptune 4 Pro. At number 4, we have the Elevu Neptune 4 Pro, a rugged, straightforward 3D printer that punches well above its weight for the price. It's perfect for those moving on from a basic model who are looking for more speed, control, and room to grow. Thanks to Clipper firmware, it reaches impressive speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, which is rare for a printer at this price point, cutting down your wait time significantly. The dual-gear direct drive extruder ensures a firmer grip on the filament, making it easier to print with flexible or high-temp materials without issues. The auto-bed leveling system with 121 points of calibration guarantees a solid first layer every time, which helps ensure consistency across the print. The dual-part cooling fans also help achieve crisp edges and minimize stringing, giving your prints that extra polish. His printer is a great choice for anyone ready to dive deeper into 3D printing, offering pro-level features without breaking the bank. While it's not fully enclosed, so you'll need to monitor the temperature when printing with materials like ABS, and the touchscreen could be smoother, the Neptune 4 Pro offers a solid foundation for those who enjoy experimenting and upgrading their setup. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1. At number 3, we've got the Bambu Lab A1, a fantastic choice if you want high-quality prints without the hassle of constant adjustments. This one truly shines with its fully automated calibration. It takes care of bed leveling, flow rate, and nozzle offset all by itself. That means less wasted time on setup and fewer failed prints. Despite its user-friendly approach, it doesn't fall short on performance. With speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, it matches the pace of more expensive models while still delivering clean, consistent results. There's even a quiet mode, making it a great option for overnight prints or when you're working in quiet spaces like a home office. The active vibration compensation feature keeps layer alignment on point, especially at higher speeds, ensuring your prints come out looking sharp. What you're really getting with the A1 is a true plug-and-play experience, powered by well-thought-out software that runs smoothly and efficiently. The only downsides? The build volume is a bit smaller, and since it's not open source, you're a little limited in terms of customization. But if what you need is a printer that just works without the headaches, the A1 is a solid pick. Number 2. AnkerMake M5C. Coming in at number 2 is the AnkerMake M5C. And if that name rings a bell, it's because it's from the same brand known for its top-notch power banks and chargers. With the M5C, Ankor brings its signature blend of speed, ease, and durability into the world of 3D printing. This printer can reach speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, but its standout feature is Smart Precision Mode. This mode strikes the perfect balance between speed and detail, ensuring accurate prints even for larger models or multi-part projects. It also simplifies the printing process with one-click printing via the app. Just send your file, hit a button, and you're good to go. No need to fiddle with settings. The aluminum alloy frame provides a solid premium feel while helping reduce vibrations, ensuring steady prints even during extended sessions. With auto-leveling powered by a strain gauge sensor, it fine-tunes adjustments more precisely than traditional probes, a huge advantage if your bed isn't perfectly flat. The M5C is designed for those who want fast results without compromising on quality. The downsides: it lacks a touchscreen, meaning it's fully controlled through the app, and it's a bit on the heavier side, which can affect portability. But overall, this printer strikes an excellent balance between power and ease of use. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast. At the top of the list is the Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast, the latest iteration of one of the most beloved 3D printers to date. This updated model keeps the core strengths of its predecessor, affordability and reliability, but brings smoother performance and easier setup and an overall more user-friendly experience. Now featuring a direct drive extruder, it gives you greater control over flexible and specialized filaments, making it ideal if you plan to step up from basic PLA. The 32-bit silent mainboard significantly reduces noise, so you can easily use it in a bedroom or office without the constant hum. A key improvement is the auto-bed leveling with a strain sensor, which increases your first layer success rate and cuts down on the time you normally spend adjusting the bed. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, it's perfect for printing hobby parts, cosplay accessories, or even functional tools. The V3 Southeast offers great value for the price, is highly upgradable, and comes with the backing of one of the largest user communities, which makes finding solutions, upgrades, or assistance super easy. The trade-offs: it might require a little fine-tuning when it arrives, and the open-frame design isn't the best choice for high-temp filaments. But for most users, especially first-time buyers, it's hands down the best bang for your buck. And that wraps it up. 6 best 3D printers. You'll find all the product links, plus any current discounts, down in the description. Appreciate you watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Catch you in the next video.